morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and good at home. Be safe, everyone. Students, as we have already completed till multiplication, multiplication of matrix measurement means about related to the measurement either in length, mass, or capacity. We have already discussed that how we used to add the units, how we used to subtract the unit, how we used to multiply the units, and here we have got in decimals also. So already these till we have completed. I think there you have not faced any problem in doing that. Already I have explained you very nicely in the class, as well as in the video also it was explained very nicely, and I'm hoping that you have seen the video nicely so that you can clear your doubts, and rest all doubts we have already discussed in the class related to the exercises. Today, my dear, we are going to move in the same chapter further, okay? Because that chapter means word problem and division is still left in this chapter, which we are going to complete this week, okay? So today, my dear, after addition, subtraction, and multiplication, we are going to begin with division. Do you know the meaning of division, my dear? We are already knowing when we used to divide the thing in an equal part. When we used to divide anything, any number, any quantity into equal part, that is in to get the exact number of thing, okay, that is called as division. Okay, in division there are four parts. First part is the divisor. Divisor is that number with which we used to divide. Okay, divisor, yes, divisor is that number which with we used to divide the dividend. Okay, dividend is a larger number in the division. Okay, the number which we used to divide, that is called as dividend. Okay, the question which we used to get, okay, after dividing the dividend by the divisor, the question which we used to get, that is the answer which you are getting after dividing, and the leftover amount which we used to write downside, that is the remainder. These were the four parts of division which we are already knowing, just but again I have just explained so that it can again uh, recalled in your mind. Okay, so these are the four parts through with which we used to do the division. Okay, divisor, dividend, quotient, and the remainder. It is not like that the remainder we used to get in each and every case. Maybe the remainder can be zero also. Okay, remainder can be zero also. But remainder we used to consider, any numbers remainder we used to consider when that number is smaller than the divisor. Okay, that number is smaller than the divisor. If that number is smaller than the divisor, then it is remainder. If it is greater than divisor, then it will be divided further. This is division, my dear. Okay, division of matrix measurement. Now we have already discussed what is division. When we used to divide anything in equal part, that is basically division. So now we are going to move further in this division, and we are going to see what the next is there in division of matrix measurements. Like suppose when you are talking about divide 39 liters and 423 milliliter by 3. Okay, that you have to divide by 3. So here the dividend is 39 liter and 423 milliliter. And what is the divisor? The divisor is here 3. The divisor is here 3. So convert liter and milliliter to liter. When you have to convert, liter means first what it is being done, because as it is given in two different units. Okay, liter is a larger unit and milliliter is a smaller unit. So in that very case, first we will convert the liter into milliliter, or either you convert milliliter into liter, so that you can get the amount in one unit. Okay, so you can see how it is being done. We are converting liters into milliliters. Okay, liters and milliliter to milliliter. So 39 liters and 423 milliliter will be converted into milliliter, and that can become, already 423 is in milliliter, so that 423 will not be converted into milliliter again, because it is already in milliliter, so no need to do anything with that. But with this 1 liter means 39 liter, with this 39 liter, what we will do, we will multiply 39 by 1000. When you will multiply 39 into 1000, you will get 39,000, and this 423 milliliter you will add in this 39,000. When you will add in this, you will get 39,423 milliliter. Okay, so now the answer, the number which you have got, it is completely in milliliter, means only 1 unit. Now it's easy to do the division. How we will do? 3 we will write in the divisor column, and 39432 we will write in the dividend column. Now we will divide 3 by 3, means it is, we will see the first digit is 3, and here also 3. So 3 is divisible by 3 in one time, so we will write 1 here in the quotient column, and then we will write 3 just below 3, and we will do the subtraction here. 3 minus 3 you will get 0. Then you will take 9 down. Okay, you will take 9 down. Then after that, 9 minus 9 when you will do, okay, because in the table of 3, in 3 times 9 will come, so we will write 9 in the quotient column, and then we will write 9 just below 9. We will give the subtraction sign, okay, to the left side of it, and then we will subtract. So 9 minus 9 is again 0. Now we will take the third digit. You can say, whenever I am taking any digits from upside to downside, every time I am using the arrow. So it's very compulsory to use. So this arrow I am using, and then I have taken 4 down. So when I have taken 4 down, I will see, is this 4 is divisible by 3? So no, 4 is not at all divisible by 3, but less than 4 we are getting in 3, that is 3. So we will write 3 just below 4, and 1 we will write in the quotient column. After that we will subtract. So 4 minus 3 when you will do, you will get 1. That 1 we have written here. Now the last digit, that is means last second digit we will take down, that is 2, because 1 is not divisible by 3, so we will take 2 also downside. So 12 minus 3 is possible. Yes, 12 minus 3 is possible, because in the table of 3, in 4 times 12 will come. So 4 we will write in the quotient column, and 12 we will write just below 12. So after subtracting 12 minus 12 we will do, we will get 0, 0. Then after that you can see, this we have already done. We have got 0, 0 at this place. Now the last digit, that is 3 is left. That 3 we will take down, and with 3, this 3 is divisible in 3 times. So 3 ones are 3. So we will get 1 here, and here we will write 3. So 3 minus 3 when you will do, then you will get 0. So the question which you will get after dividing this number is 13141, and the remainder which you will get after this, you will get 0. Okay, this is the question, and this is the remainder. Yes, and when you have to write this in liter and milliliter, okay, what you will do, the quotient, whatever the number you have got in the quotient, okay, that number which you have got in the quotient, no sorry, that number which you have got in that only, okay, the first, when you will divide this to convert, then you will get 13 liters and 141 milliliter. When you will divide it by 1000, okay, when this 13141 you will divide by 1000, you will get 13 liters and 141 milliliter. Suppose if it is given in decimal form, so how we will write in decimal form, means by how it is given in decimal form. Suppose it is given 39 liters and 423 milliliters. So if we will not convert 39 liters into milliliters, then we can write 39.423 liters. Okay, then we can write, if we are not converting the whole into milliliter, then we can write 39.423 liters. Okay, then it is in liter. So now what you will do, now you can divide. So here is decimal also, so you have to keep this in your mind, that after 3 digit you have to put the decimal. Okay, because here after 3 digit there is decimal. Okay, after writing 3 digits there is decimal from the right side. Okay, so in the same way the division process will be done. Okay, in the same form in the same way. There is no change. Only the decimal where it is given after 3 digit. Okay, from the right side I am counting. So after 3 digit, when um, the decimal number which is given after 2 digits, sorry, so after 2 digit the decimal number which is given, okay, so that you will write, okay, that you will write, and that you can write in the same way after 2 digit, means from the this right side, from the left side you can see after 2 digit you can put decimal, or from this side if you will count, so after 1 2 3 digits, okay, you will put the decimal. From the left if you will count after 2 digits, from the right if you will count after 3 digits. Okay, in the same way you can see it is also been written, divide 24 kilometers in and 120 meter by 12. So we have to convert kilometers to meter, okay, and then we have to divide according to the rule. So when we are converting 24 kilometers into meters, then we are multiplying 24 into 1000, and we are adding 120 meter here. So when we are multiplying 24 into 1000, we will get 24,000, and that 120, okay, you will add here, you will get 24120 meter. So that 24120 meter, okay, you have to divide into by 12. So how we will divide? It is given 12, okay, 12. So the first number is 2, so 2 is not divisible. With 2 we cannot means 12 cannot divide 2. So we will take 2 digit at a time, means 24. So in the table of 12, is 24 is coming? Yes, it is coming in 2 times. So 2 we will write upside first, and then after we will write 24 just below that, and we will subtract both the digits. Now we will take another digit down, that is 1 we will take down. Okay, that is 1 we will take down. When we will take 1 down, we can see that 1 is not divisible by 12, so we will put 0 in the quotient column, means after 2 we will put 0. Then after putting 0, we can take the another number down, that is 12. So 12 we will take down. Okay, 12 we will take down. Sorry, 2 we will take down. Then it will become 12. Now 12 is divisible by 12 in one time. So 1 you will write in the question column, and 12 you will write just below 12. And then you will subtract. You will get 0, 0, 0. After that, last one is given 0. Okay, that 0 you will take down, and 0 minus 0 when you will do, then you will get 0. Okay, so again you will write 0. So answer you will get 2010. You will get 2010. So now you can write that 2010. Okay, if you will divide that 2010 by 1000, you will get 2 kilometers and 10 meters. Okay, you can divide, and you can see that is in the same way the question which is written here, the question which is given here downside 2010, that 2010 is being distributed in that form by dividing. Okay, in kilometers and meters which you are seeing, it is being written in that form by dividing it by 1000. When you will divide, you will get 2 kilometers and 10 meters. In the same way that this decimal one question is also being done. If suppose we are not converting, okay, if the units are given in different, means like it is given in kg and gram, and we are not converting the kg into gram, or we are not converting the gram into kg, and we are doing in the that way only. So in that way we have to put after the kg, we will put the decimal point, okay, and then we can write the gram. Okay, we have to put the decimal point. So after putting like that, you can see 25.370 it is written. So in place of converting it, if you will convert, we will convert now, we will get 25370 in like this. But when we have not converted it, so we have put the decimal. Okay, we have put the decimal 3, means from the right side before 3 digits, we have put the decimal from the right side before 3 digit. Okay, and after writing the 3 digit, we have put the decimal. So now you can see, is 5 is divisible by 2? No, it is not. So we will take 2 digits at a time, that is 25. 25 is divisible by 2? Yes, 5 it is divisible in 5 times. When we will divide, read the table of 5 times, we will get 25. So 25 minus 25 will be 0, 0. which is written here. Another digit we will take down, that is 3. So when you will take the 3 down, then is this 3 is divisible? No, is 3 is not divisible. So we will put 0, means after 5 we will put 0. After that we will take another digit down, that is 7. Now 37 is there. Now 37 is divisible by 5. No, it is not divisible. We will write, but in the table of 5, in the how many is less than 37 we are getting? Yes, 35 we are getting in 7 times. So 7 we will write here, and 35 we will write just below 37. You can see it is being written. Now 7 minus 5 we will do, then we will get 2, and 3 minus 3 we will do, then we will get 0. After that it is 2. Now last digit, that is 0, we will take down. Okay, so it will be 20. Now again we will read the table of 5. Okay, that much time in which we will get 20 or less than 20. So 5 fours are 20. So 4 you will write down up, and 0 you will write down, and then you will get 20 minus 20 will be 0. Okay, so in after how many digits you have to put the decimal? Here the question will be, after how many digits? So the decimal has been put, okay, after 3 digits, means means after decimal there are 3 digit number. So you have to put the digit before 3, means you have to put the decimal before 3 digit, okay, in the question. Means if the question is 5074, so before, means from the right side you will start 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, you will put the decimal point here, and then you can write 5. Okay, in the same way, this has already also been done for you. It is given 10, convert 10 meters and 40 centimeter into centimeter. Already 40 is already in centimeter, so no need to convert it, but 10 is in meter. So that 10 meter will be converted into centimeters. Okay, so 10 into 100 when you will do, then you will get 10 1000 centimeter, and in that 1000 centimeter you add 40 centimeter, you will get 1040. Okay, after that you can easily divide. In the table of 4, 1 is coming? No, it is not coming, so 1 is not divisible. But if we will take 10 together, then 10 is divisible. Okay, in the table of 4, in 2 times we are getting 8. Okay, so we can write 8 just below 10, and we can write 2 in the question column. After that, when you will subtract 10 minus 8, you will get 2. And then 2 is not divisible by 4. We cannot divide. So we will take another digit down, that is 4. Okay. So 4 we have taken down. Now this 2 has become 24. Now 24 is divisible by 4. Yes, it is divisible in 6 times. So we will write 6 in the question, and 24 just below 24. And we will subtract 4 minus 4 will be 0, and 2 minus 2 will be 0. After that this 0 is left. So with, we are knowing that any number is when divided by 0, we get the 0. So 4 divided by 0 will be 0. That is why it is here written 0. So the question you will get 260, and that 260 which you were getting, 260 which you are getting, how you will write this 260 in meter and centimeter both? You just have to divide this by 100, because we are knowing this, that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So when you will divide it, okay, you will get 2 meters and 60 centimeters. Okay, we will get 2 as a quotient, and that 2 will become meter, and 60 will become centimeter, because that is remainder. In the same way, this question also you can see, it is given in kilometers and meters. You have to divide 16 kilometers and 25 meters by 5. So what we have done first, we have just converted did 16 kilometer, okay, by multiplying it by 1000, and then we have added 25 in that. So when 16 into 1000 when we are doing, we are getting 16,000 meter, 16,000 meter, and that 16,000 meter, in that 16,000 meter we are adding the 25 meters, so we will get 16025 meters. Now we will divide it, so when we will divide 16, okay, then in the table of 5, okay, 16, in the table of 5, 1 is not coming. The first digit we will divide, then 1 is not coming. So we will take 2 digits at a time, then that is 16. So is 16 is divisible by 5? Yes, it is divisible by 5. but not exactly 16. Less than 16 we are getting in 5 table, that is 15. So we will write 15 just below 16, and we will write 3 in the question column. 3 is the number with which 16 is divisible, means 15 we are getting in 3 times in the table of 5. So then we will subtract. 6 minus 5 we will do, we will get 1, and 1 minus 1 we will do, we will get 0. Now here it is 0. Okay, so 0 we will take down. Now when we will read the table of 5 two times, we will get 10. So we will write 10 here in this place. Okay, we will write 10 here in this place, and we will write 2 in the question column. Now in the table of 5 and 2 times we are getting 10, so we will write 10 just below 10, and we will subtract it. So 0 minus 0 will be 0, and 1 minus 1 is also 0. Now another digit we will take down, so that is 2. So 2 when you are taking down, is this 2 is divisible by 5? No, it is not divisible. So that is why we put 0 here. After that, for dividing that 2, we have to take the another digit down if it is left. So 25 is left. So that 5 if we have taken down, then this 2 has become 25. Okay, now is in the table of 5 25 is coming? Yes, in the table of 5 25 is coming in 5 times. So we will write 5 in the question column and 25 just below 25, and we will subtract. So 5 minus 5 is 0, and 2 minus 2 is also 0. So the question which you will get, that is 3205. Okay, when you will divide this 3205 divided by 1000, okay, you will get 3 kilometers and 205 meters. Okay, this you will get. Okay, students, I hope you all have understood how to do the division. Okay, how to do the division if in the decimal it is given, and there is no change in division. The same way we are dividing, the same way we are getting the question again and again we are dividing. Okay, till that time we are dividing when the remainder either it is 0 or either it is less than the divisor. Okay, either it is less than the divisor. So till that time we are continuously dividing. Okay, after that the answer that which if we are getting the remainder as 0, okay, and the answer we are getting, the question which we are getting, that we have just divided by the unit which is given. Either it is given in, if it is given to convert in meter, if it is given to convert in milliliter, if it is given to convert in centimeter. So we have just divided by that, and then we have written the answer. I hope you all have understood nicely, and you will go through it and you will do the exercise properly without facing any problem. Still, if you will face problem, you can come with your queries in the online classes. That is all, my dear. Thank you, everyone.